Where you at? Where you at? Okay, all right. There we go. We back at it again with another install with Guys Doing Things.
Yes, sir. We got old Black Beauty in here today, you know. I kind of wrecked a couple leaves, mowed a couple grass.
See, I told y'all you got that money.
So today, we're gonna install some custom dynamics, turn signals,
okay,
and the lower fairing lights.
Okay.
Cause I can't see like I used to.
Hey, he's saying them
gonna
eyes
brighten up the highway. Gonna brighten the highway up a little bit.
Yes, sir. You got the box? Where the box at? Let's see what you working with.
Yeah.
You know.
You there?
Okay. So yeah. Oh yeah, I'm gonna appreciate those.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I've been dealing with custom dynamics for years. I had it on the other bike.
Okay.
And I liked it.
Yeah.
I had the street glide in, so I only had the actual turn signals. I switched out to daylight running lights. But now I'm moving up in the world.
Okay.
Got the lower fairings going, so.
Yeah. So we finna try to figure out how to do this install.
Yeah, we never done it, but we gonna do it.
Oh yeah, we gonna figure it out.
So
don't look that hard. All right, y'all stay with us. All right, here we go. All right, so first,
we're gonna start with the turn signals first.
Okay.
Get them knocked out. A little less frustrating.
Okay, here, I'll take that. What you using to pop them open, man? You ain't got no pocket knife? Or
no, this ain't no pocket knife. It's a plastic.
Little clip puller.
Clip puller.
Yeah.
That we got. These very real easy. Take these.
Okay.
Take out the old 1157 bulb.
Okay.
Too much in my hand here. There we go. Let me get that the clear ones. Where I sit that? I sit it on the clear lens. I'm replacing the amber ones.
Where you put them?
See if it's on that chair there, brother. Nope. Where the heck? That's funny.
Okay.
Is it sitting?
No, they here.
Yeah, cause I just had them.
Rolling.
All right, now we're good.
Found the lens covers.
Yeah, I'm switched to I took the ambers off, and now I'm putting on the clear ones.
Let me see the difference.
Same.
Yeah, same lens. Okay. Now you just snap on, or how they go?
Yeah, it's gonna pop right. You fit. Come around here.
Okay.
That in there like that.
Give it a little pop.
Yep. She popped right back in place.
Okay.
Real quick, easy.
All right. Now, while we still got the old lens on one side and the new on the other, can we turn it on to see the difference?
Yeah.
Let's turn it on. See if we can see a difference, y'all. Okay. Well, that's one difference.
Maybe.
Hey. That's why we do tests.
Right.
So we don't know. So something must be, more than likely something's not secure all the way. But it should be a simple fix. Just probably didn't get the bulb tightened all the way on. You do that, I'm gonna turn the bike on.
Nope.
Right. So try to wiggle it. See, I saw something come on.
Yeah.
Yep, that's why it's gotta fit in a certain way. So see, told you we ain't never done it, but we're gonna figure it out.
It should.
It should just snap right in there.
There we go.
See, you gotta press it all the way in. Well, still. Nope, that didn't do it.
Turn it off so it won't blow nothing.
Yeah, won't blow nothing.
There we go.
Oh.
This is where I missed it out at, see?
Okay.
See? Come here, let me show you. Right there. You have to turn it. Once you put it in.
Lock it in place?
You lock it in place. That's what I wouldn't.
Hold on. Let me get a light so everybody can see. All right.
See? I had to lock it in. Back up a little bit. Just lock it in place.
Gotta lock it. Okay.
So.
Uh-oh. Hold on. Do that again. I had this blocking it.
No. Yeah.
Okay. Just loosen it and then. All right. Now what you doing here?
So when at first, I just had it pushed in.
Okay.
So all you do is got for a flathead screwdriver. I'm just using the plastic. Push it in. Turn it.
Okay.
So she should be good now.
All right. Now you're going to put the lens cover back on.
Keep the water out.
Yep.
She should be good. You don't act right, do you?
Make sure you got the locking in the right spot.
Yep. All right, we're gonna show you old versus new one more time.
One more again.
There we go.
Ah, there we go.
It's clear. It's a lot brighter, as you folks can see.
Oh, it's bright.
So,
hey, hit the turn signal, hit the right. See what we got. Oh yeah,
Amber.
There we go.
Once you make your turn, bam, back to where she was.
There we go.
So, I can lead the pack again.
Yes, sir. All right.
Same on this side. Pop it out. Your old bulb, just your regular 1157. Got your other lens. Or bulb, I should say. Pop it in. Hey, don't y'all eat me up too much in the comments.
Hey, the more comments, the better. We love it. Hey, we having fun with this. Okay. Well, it's not one to lock in place. Okay.
There we go.
Hey, they can't, half of them can't make too many comments because they taking their bike straight to the shop. They ain't even working on it.
No labor. Just a little time, folks.
Yep. A lot of trial, a lot of errors.
A lot of errors. But
Hey,
we gonna get it done, Drew.
But now somebody else bring a bike over, do it.
Yeah, we
5
knock you
minutes.
in and out. Less than an hour.
There you go.
All right. See what we looking like.
Yep. All right, hit them signals. Yes, sir. Hit the other one. Yes, sir.
And
Good to go. Yep. Everything's working.
yes, sir.
All right.
Now I'm starting. Give me a little sweat going on. Now we're gonna work on these lowers.
Okay. All right. So that was a quick little video.
Yeah, it's quick.
Yeah. Now.
Some of this stuff out the way,
Yep.
so I ain't tripping over.